Hi everyone, Dean Seifert here with BirdReel. We're back with another tutorial here on the Bird Lover companion app for BirdReel smart bird feeders. Today we're going to talk about the Playback feature inside the Bird Lover app that allows you to go back in time and rewatch videos from the different motion detections that you've had on your camera. So once you're signed on, you come to the main screen here where you've got the weather at the top and all of the devices listed below. To go into the playback mode, the best way to do it is to go under the live stream camera first. So I'll click on Tansy Hummingbird and pull up the live stream. Oh, I've got a little Stellar's Jay on my camera today. To go into playback, it's as simple as going into this option right here, playback. And then from here you get a screen with the video session up here, some control buttons, a date finder, and then a time selector or a time scrubber. So you can go back to any day here. You can kind of scroll through the things that have been stored on your memory card. If you want to go back in time further, you can scroll to the left, or you can use the calendar icon. When you're on the calendar session like this, you can see any day that has recordings on it are going to be in a black font. Any days that do not have a recording are going to be grayed out. So let's say I want to go back to a time in October, let's say October 22nd. You can see every one of these lines here represents another time that there was a bird on the feeder that was detected, or motion was detected. And so here I've got a magpie on my screen. If I want to take a snapshot of this, I click the snapshot button and that will store it into my gallery or my albums. Or I can press the video button and that will start to record a video of that period and effectively store that in my gallery so I can go back and watch it later. A really other useful feature is this download button. So if I click this, well, I've got to stop the video first. Once I stop that, I can download a section, and now I've got this little yellow bar that allows me to grab a certain segment of time from here to here, or move it around, whatever segment you want of whatever duration. And once I'm comfortable that I've got all the video that I want selected, I can hit the download button. It will tell me that it's going to download the file, and depending on the time range that you select, it could take longer or shorter. Now this information is going to be stored in your gallery so you can go back to it later, and from there you can share it and post it to other places. So we'll allow this video to download completely here in just a second, and now I can hit check now and it will take me directly to my gallery, and here is our video recording right here of 44 seconds. And it basically took all of those motion detections and put them into one combined video clip. And then obviously once I'm in the gallery here, I have the ability to move this into the trash selection, or I can actually share it with friends and family through Facebook, through text messages, and so on. So again, back to the playback option here, and scrolling through different time windows, I basically can go through and look at all the different activities that have been on my feeder over a period of time. Every single blue line is another detection. Now my settings here are very narrow, meaning that I've got it set up so that every 10 seconds it is looking for another detection. If you widen that window to say 2 minutes, then these windows will be that much shorter. The other thing to think about is if your video duration value is set to 15 seconds, which is what mine is at, then each video snippet will be 15 seconds. If you extend it to 2 minutes, then these blue bars will appear wider because it is a 2-minute segment instead of a 15-second. And there you have it. That's the playback feature. That's how you access things in the past and go back through and see all the different bird activity that's been on your account, and then save it to your gallery, and then from there you can download it and share it and so on. Hope that was helpful. If you have any questions, you can reach out to us at support@birdreel.com or 1-833-459-7770. Have a great day and happy bird reeling.